Happy Valentine's Day to you all. Hello, everyone. Welcome today. Yes, today in the daily newspaper of February the 14th, Tuesday. Yes, Tuesday, February the 14th, 2023. We have here one regular puzzle, and it's a medium Sudoku. And in this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. And those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Then we have 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars and one with a 1 star. In Dutch they call it Saiva block. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last one is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles in the additional. I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve. Otherwise it's too much for me and time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Oh, the tripod. Let me position the camera, because what I will do is first the medium Sudoku, and later on in the evening I will do the extra puzzles in the additional. But first, let me solve this one for you. Medium Sudoku number 5958. 5958, and before I start I always count the printed digits. Well, 26, yeah. Medium Sudoku, I've noticed the lately has always 26 printed digits, sometimes 27, but this one has 26. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, it will be a 2 stars, and for 2 stars puzzle I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Okay. How about these 3 missing numbers in this column? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 and the 7 is missing. 3, 5, 7. 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7. And look, we have a 3 and a 5 in this row. So no 3 and a 5 in this box. The 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in the first row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column for number 7. Then. Let me see. Yeah. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. Here, 3 in the third column, so no 3 in that box. So 3 could be here or there, We see another 3 in this row, so no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this last column. No 3 there. 3 should be there. 8 in this column. 8 in the last column. So the column between. And the only place left for the 8 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing. The 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. And look, we have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in this box. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 in that box. So 1 box left for the 2 in this column should be there. So the 1 and the 4 are left. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 1 and the 4. Okay. How about 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the second row, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. Here's 7 in this column, no 7 in that box. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We have a 1 in the second row, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1. Should be here. 1 box left in this column. I believe the 4. I remember. Yeah, 4 is missing. 1 and a 4. Yeah. So 3 missing numbers now. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. And the 4 goes there. We have a pair, the 2 and the 4 in this column, last column, the 2 and the 4 in the column next. So in that column, there are only 3 places left for the 2 and the 4 goes in these 3 boxes. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. And look, we have a 2 and a 4 in this row, so no 2 and the 4 in this box. The 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. Alright. Then, let me see, the 8 in this row, the 8 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 8, should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 8, should be there. 8 in this column, first column, 8 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the middle row, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row. 8 in the middle row, so no row below. The only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 8. Alright. Then, let me see. The 2 in the third column, the 2 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the third row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. Then. 6, 5. 5, 5, 5, 5. Yeah. I'm thinking. 1, 1. 1, 6, 7. 7. Yeah. Well, let me put some numbers, 2 missing numbers in this row. For numbers, the 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. Wait. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about 1, 6, 9. Yeah. 1, 6, 9. Okay. 5, 5. 5. Where's the opening? The opening. 6. Come on. 5, 5. 6. And we have a pair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 7. We have a 6 and a 7 in the third row, so no 6 and a 7 in these 3 boxes. The 6 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 7 in the third column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 it goes there. Alright. Okay. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the middle row. No 6 in these 3 boxes. Here 6 in this third column. No 6 in those 2 boxes. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. 6 in one of those two boxes in the first column, 6 in the third column. So the column between, second column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Right. Okay. 9 5, 9 5, 9 5, 9 and 5. Okay, 9 5 and 4. Yeah. 2 missing numbers in the first row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and the 9. 4 and the 9. The other pair, we have here the 2 and the 6. And the third pair in this big square are the numbers 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and the 3, 1 and the 3. Wow. A lot of pairs, Alright. 3, 3. Alright. And a 9, yeah. Well, we have a 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 3. Could be here, could be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 in these two boxes. So the 9 goes together with the 3 as a pair. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 2 and the 7, that means we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. This box can be a 2 and more. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 4. Alright. Do we have all the 2s? And nope, we have need a 2 there. Alright, then. 1 and 6. Wow, need a 6. Come on. 1, 1. 1. Yeah. I'm thinking. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 9. Now we have a 9 here in this row, so this box can be 9 or more. That box should be 9. Now we have 2 missing numbers in the last row. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6. 1 and 6 cannot fill this yet, need to wait. So we have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row, 6 in that row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 6. Could be here, could be there. Same for the 1. 1 in this row, 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 1. Could be here, could be there. Together with the 6, we have a pair. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. So 1 digit left now in this big square for the 1. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 and the 7, we have a 7 now in this middle column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2 and the 6, we have a 2 now in the middle column. So no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 6 goes there. And all the 2s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2. Alright. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, there are only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, or there. We see here 7 in the third column, no 7 there. Here 7 in the second column, no 7 there. So the only place left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 3. Alright. 1 and a 6. We have a 6 now in the middle column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes and there. 1 and a 3. We have a 1 now in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 and a 9. We have a 3 now in the middle column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 4 and a 9. We have a 9 in the middle column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4 goes there. And 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, and 2, 3, 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in the middle column. Oh, sorry, 5 in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Then. Yeah. And now I'm thinking, 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the third column. No 9 there. 9 should be there. And I've eliminated the 6, so the 6 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the third column. So the column between. The only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 9. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 5 in the first column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes in there. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row. No 4 there, 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the Mr. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes and there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 and a 6. Well, we have a 1 in the last column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Finishes 16 minutes. Wow. 16 minutes. Told you I need 15 to 20 minutes. So it's definitely a 2 stars. And I like this one, yes. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet again in the evening with the other 4 puzzles in additional. Until then, bye-bye for now, and have a great and fantastic Tuesday, and happy Valentine's Day. Bye-bye.